The title of this e-course is Data for Skills. We will start from the main dashboard. If you need support with logging in, please go back and watch the Introduction to Rethink e-course Part 1. Rethink offers several different ways to collect data. The first way we will look at is by using Rethink's blank paper data sheets. To access these data sheets, click on View All Resources. In the search bar, type in data. You will then see all of the printable data sheets. Select the data sheet that you would like to use. This data sheet will open in a separate tab. You can type on the data sheet, and also you can download and print the data sheet using these icons on the top right side of your screen. Another way to collect data is by using Rethink's customized data sheets. Click on Students on the left side of your screen. If you do not have any students assigned, please go back and watch the Introduction to Rethink e-course Part 1. Once you have located your student, click the red Data Express button next to the student's profile. Then click Print Data Sheet. You will now be able to customize your data sheet by selecting the skills, all skills, or the specific skills that you would like to include in your data sheet. Once you have selected those skills, you will then need to select how many data collection panels you would like to use for each behavior or skill. Then click Create. This data sheet will open in a separate PDF. Make sure you have your pop-up blockers enabled. And there you will see your customized data sheet. You can also collect live data using Rethink's Data Express. Click Students on the left side of your screen. Once you find your student, click the red Data Express button. On the left side of the screen, click Show to choose the skill you would like to start recording data for. Use the calendar to choose your date. First, you can start by recording baseline data. If you choose to skip this step, you will receive a note saying that once you begin recording teaching data, you can no longer record baseline data. Click Begin. Input your trials. You can also add session notes. And click Save. Once you are done recording baseline data, you can click I'm done recording baseline data to begin recording your teaching data. Select your teaching targets, hit Continue, and input your trials. Next, we will look at recording data for a task analysis skill, such as hand washing. First, I will hide the other skills that I do not want to show, and click Show for hand washing. I will use the calendar to change my date. And then I will input my data for each step. Then click Save. You can also collect data using Rethink's Data app. This app is available on your smart devices such as your phones or tablets. To view a webinar on how to access Rethink's Data app, click View All Resources. Then click Webinars. Select Archived, and in the search bar, type in App. There you will find the How to Use Rethink Data app. This webinar will give you step-by-step instructions on collecting data using the app. To view the data that you have collected, navigate to Students and click the Data Express tab next to the student. On the left side, click Show on the skills that you would like to see the data for. We will look at the data for washing hands by clicking Data. There you will find the data that you have entered. If you need to delete any data points, scroll down, click Steps, and there you will see the Delete key. Now let's look at the data for completing a pattern. Click Data. First you see your baseline data, and next you see your teaching step data. If you need to make any changes or delete any data points, click the arrow and press Delete. Thank you for watching this e-course. Be sure to watch the View Progress e-course to learn how to access progress reports. Also, don't forget to log in to Rethink and check out our new platform.